Welcome to episode 2 of Personalized Learning Nuggets of Knowledge. This week we're going to be talking about using the Reminder app for goal setting. So by setting goals, students can improve their academic performance, they can increase their motivation to achieve, they can increase pride and satisfaction in performance, and they can improve their self-confidence. And January is a great time to have students reset themselves and set new goals. So by using the Reminder app, we are able to have students set goals. They're able to set reminders, and they're able to flag and set their goals by different priority levels. So the Reminders app, you're able to use it on the iPad as well as on the Mac. And you can see below here, that's the iPad icon, and over there is the Mac icon. And what we have right here is an actual screenshot from a student's reminder app on their iPad of due dates and goals that they have. So let's take a look at the Reminders app. So here we are in the Reminders app interface. Whether you're on the iPad or the Mac, they look the same. They have 4 areas: today, scheduled, flag, and all. And you are able to make lists. So I would have students make lists either by work habits, by unit, by lesson, or even just by class. And the way that you create a list is by clicking on My List, and then you would name it. So we're going to name this one Work Habits. And once you create a list here, it appears on this side. You are able to change the color or change the icon just by right-clicking, showing the info. And I could change the name if I needed to, but here there's a little down arrow. And I could change the color of the icon, and I can even change the icon itself. On the iPad, where this plus button is, there's actually 3 dots, the kebab, and that's where you would be able to change these same items. So let's add our first work habit. I'm going to click the plus, and I'm going to say that I want to focus for 10 minutes in class. So I will focus for at least 10 minutes. So I've created that goal for myself, but I want to be sure that I am reminded of that goal. And you know what? This goal is pretty important because I know that in order for me to do my work, I need to stay focused. So by coming over here to the I can click here, and you can see that I can have it remind me on a day. So I want this to remind me tomorrow, and I want it to remind me at 9 a.m. because my class starts at 9:05. And I want this to remind me every day because I have this class that meets the same time every day. So I'm going to say repeat this reminder for me every day. This, as I said, is a high priority for me, so I'm going to change that priority to high. And if I wanted to, I could have an image of something that maybe inspired me. And if that was the case, I could click Add Image and add an image to this. But I'm not going to add an image. And I'm going to keep this as is. And now I'm going to just click here. And you will see I now have a goal that I will focus for at least 10 minutes. I know it's going to remind me at 9 a.m. daily. And I have my priority. And you will be able to see over here, I now have a scheduled goal. If I wanted to actually flag that goal, I would be able to click the flag. And what that would do is flag it. And now I have it in the flagged item. So here you can now create as many goals, as many lists as you want. And as I complete them, I could then just click this little button and it will go away. But since this is one that I want to do daily, I'm not going to click it. I hope that this shows how easy it is to use the Reminder app for students as a very easy way for them to set goals for themselves. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment or shoot me an email.